Ever wondered what is next for Bitcoin? As we wrap up the year 2023, we dive deep into the cryptocurrency ocean, focusing on the Bitcoin bull run. Today, we'll dissect the current state of the Bitcoin market and try to predict the potential price movements for the upcoming year. So, fasten your seatbelts as we take off into the Bitcoin universe. At this moment, the Bitcoin market is displaying neutrality. We've witnessed fluctuations in Bitcoin's price with a recent dip below a significant resistance level. However, it's noteworthy that Bitcoin still maintains an overall positive growth trajectory since the start of the year. Traders utilize a variety of signals and technical indicators such as support and resistance levels to gain insights into the market's dynamics and potential trend reversals. These tools are imperative to comprehend Bitcoin's current position and its future path. Delving into technical analysis, we find indicators like the RSI, moving averages, and the MACD used to gauge Bitcoin's long-term trend. As of now, the MACD indicates bullish momentum in the weekly time frame, suggesting a promising outlook for Bitcoin in the near future. However, it's vital to bear in mind that predicting Bitcoin's future value is a complex task. Factors including supply and demand dynamics, protocol updates, whale activity, and institutional adoption heavily influence Bitcoin's price. An essential aspect to remember: Bitcoin's price predictions can often be contradictory. The cryptocurrency market is influenced by a multitude of factors, and a single announcement can drastically alter a coin's price trajectory. The overall market dynamics and technological updates can also significantly influence Bitcoin's movement. This unpredictability is a fundamental characteristic of the crypto world. Staying informed and understanding the market's nuances is key to successfully navigating these digital waters. As we gaze into 2023, the Bitcoin bull run continues to be a hot topic of debate and speculation. While indicators and analysis provide guidance, the inherent volatility and complexity of the crypto market mean that surprises are always just around the corner. Stay vigilant, conduct thorough research, and remember, in the Bitcoin world, it's always wise to expect the unexpected. Until our next crypto journey, keep your eyes peeled on the crypto horizon and enjoy your trading.